Welcome to Applied Virtual Solutions, where we're all about making remote work easier, more efficient, and enjoyable. Whether you're new to working from home or have been doing it for a while, we're here to help you maximize your productivity, stay motivated, and create a balanced work-life routine. On this channel, we dive into everything from setting up the perfect home office to time management strategies, remote work tools, and self-care tips to avoid burnout. We also explore the latest trends and opportunities in the work-from-home world, so you stay ahead of the game. If you're ready to make working from home work for you, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of remote professionals. Boost your productivity as a remote worker now. In today's fast-paced world, working from home has become the new norm for many. But with this shift comes unique challenges that can hinder your efficiency and overall performance. Are you tired of feeling unproductive while working remotely? Do you find yourself constantly battling fatigue and a lack of motivation? Do you struggle to stay focused and motivated? Distractions at home can be overwhelming, making it difficult to maintain the same level of concentration you would have in a traditional office setting. In this video, we'll share our top tips and strategies to help you boost your productivity as a remote worker. We'll dive into practical advice and actionable steps that you can implement right away. From creating a dedicated workspace to avoiding distractions, we'll cover everything you need to know to stay on track and achieve your goals. A well-organized and clutter-free environment can significantly enhance your ability to focus and get things done. Whether you're a digital nomad, freelancer, or remote employee, this video is for you. No matter where you work from, these tips are designed to help you maximize your productivity and make the most of your time. Learn how to prioritize tasks, manage your time effectively, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. We'll explore various tools and techniques that can help you stay organized and on top of your workload. Take control of your productivity and start achieving more today. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only improve your work performance, but also enjoy a more fulfilling and balanced remote working experience. As remote workers, we all know how important it is to stay productive and focused while working from home. The flexibility of remote work can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it allows us to create our own schedules and work in comfortable environments. On the other hand, it can also lead to a lack of structure and discipline, making it challenging to maintain productivity. Whether you're working from your home office or a bustling coffee shop, staying on task is essential. With the absence of a traditional office environment, it can be easy to fall into bad habits and struggle to get things done. Distractions like social media, household chores, and even family members can pull us away from our work. In today's work environment, distractions are everywhere, and they come in many forms. The TV in the background, kids playing, or even the lure of a quick nap can disrupt our workflow. If we're not careful, these distractions can quickly eat away at our productivity and leave us feeling unaccomplished at the end of the day. A cluttered desk or a noisy environment can add to the stress and make it even harder to focus. That's why it's crucial for remote workers to prioritize their productivity and find ways to stay motivated and organized. Using productivity tools, setting clear goals, and maintaining a tidy workspace can make a significant difference. By creating a structured routine and minimizing distractions, we can ensure that we stay on track and achieve our work goals efficiently. When you work remotely, it can be easy to fall into the trap of procrastination. Without the structure of a traditional office environment, distractions are everywhere. The comfort of home can sometimes lead to a lack of urgency, making it tempting to put off tasks until later. And before you know it, hours have passed and you've accomplished nothing. The constant barrage of notifications, social media, and household chores can make it difficult to focus on work. This can lead to a cycle of stress and guilt as you realize how much time has slipped away. Additionally, the lack of structure and routine can make it difficult to separate work and personal life. This blurring of boundaries often leads to burnout or the feeling of being on the clock all the time. Without a clear distinction between work hours and personal time, you might find yourself working late into the night or being interrupted by family responsibilities during the day. Another common challenge remote workers face is the absence of social interaction and accountability. The isolation can be tough as you miss out on the spontaneous conversations and camaraderie that come with working in an office. This lack of social engagement can lead to feelings of loneliness and disconnection. When you work in an office, you have colleagues and managers who can motivate and encourage you to stay on track. Regular feedback and collaboration help keep you aligned with team goals and deadlines. The physical presence of others can also provide a sense of accountability, making it easier to stay focused and productive. But when you work remotely, it's up to you to stay motivated and disciplined. You need to find ways to create your own accountability systems, whether it's through setting personal goals, using productivity tools, or finding a remote work buddy to check in with regularly. Given the freedom and flexibility that comes with remote work, it's essential to establish a routine and create a conducive work environment that promotes productivity. This might include setting up a dedicated workspace, maintaining regular work hours, and taking breaks to recharge. By being intentional about your work habits and environment, you can overcome the challenges of remote work and enjoy its many benefits. One of the most effective strategies for boosting productivity as a remote worker is to establish a dedicated workspace. This can be a home office, a co-working space, or even a quiet corner in a coffee shop. But it's essential to create a space that is solely dedicated to work. Another crucial strategy is to develop effective time management techniques. This can include tools like the Pomodoro technique, which involves working in focused 25-minute increments, followed by a 5-minute break. This technique can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. In addition to these strategies, it's also essential to prioritize self-care and take breaks throughout the day. Taking a walk, doing some stretching, or practicing meditation can help you recharge and come back to your work with renewed energy and focus. One key insight that can lead to immediate improvements in productivity is the importance of setting clear boundaries. This can include setting specific work hours, creating a schedule, and communicating your boundaries with family and friends. By setting clear boundaries, you can avoid distractions, stay focused, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Another tip is to eliminate multitasking, which can be a productivity killer. Instead, focus on one task at a time and give it your undivided attention. The Pomodoro technique is another powerful tool that can help you stay focused and boost your productivity. By working in focused increments, you can avoid burnout and stay motivated throughout the day. In summary, boosting productivity as a remote worker requires discipline, motivation, and the right strategies. By establishing a dedicated workspace, developing effective time management techniques, prioritizing self-care, and setting clear boundaries, you can stay focused, avoid distractions, and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some of your favorite productivity tips and strategies? Don't forget to check out our next video on enhancing remote work skills. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to thrive while working from home. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay productive and take care.